We'll guide you through how to find the seed of a Minecraft server. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon, and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So in order to find the seed of a Minecraft server, if you're doing it from your computer on a server that you've made, just click open the folder where you have the server.jar file and pop open your server. And if you're doing it from a hosting platform like Apex Hosting, which reminds me of saying a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If they provide lag-free customizable servers which are ready in just a few minutes. You can host your own adventures with ease. They offer a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backup. Please be sure to check them out. The link will be in the description of the video, and we'll also make a comment and pin it, and you can check them out. As I was saying, if you're hosting through a platform, all you need to do, click open your server from where you manage your servers, make sure to turn your server on and click on console. Now we've got the console open here in the hosting platform, and we've got the official Minecraft server console open over here. So a very important thing is that only the admin / the operator of the server can find out the seed of the server. So if you are the admin or the operator, you can do it yourself. If you aren't, you'll need to ask the admin of the server to find it out for you. If it's your own server that you're trying to find out the seed for, then you're probably already the admin. And if you aren't, all you need to do is type OP space the name of the user. And as you can see, it says made player a server operator. And you can do the same thing on your hosting platform, OP space the name of the player, and then we can go ahead and press send. And as you can see, it says it over here, made player a server operator. Then we can just boot up our game. Once in the game, all you need to do is press T to type and then write /seed. This will give you the seed of your server. I hope this video helped you guys out. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.